What's good, YouTube fam? It's your boy Sean.
And your girl Shay.
And we're back with another video, guys. Today, guys, we're out here in the Canyon Lake, Texas area at the Holiday Inn Club Vacation Resort. And we just wanted to give you guys a room tour of our resort. So, guys, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you comment, guys. Here goes the room tour. Alright, guys, starting with the entrance to our room. 564A. This is an ambassador suite. It has 2 suites, but it's only me, Shay, and our 4 kids, so they didn't open the other side for us. So unfortunately, we're just giving you a tour of our side.
And you would section this off. You come with family that's more than 6, or with a big group, you can section it off, and you can have your own side, and they can have their own side, and they have their separate doorbells, along with their own door.
Alright, guys, you walk in. It's big and open, a lot of space. As you can see, it's the kitchen area, black appliances. I feel like they should have went with stainless steel to be such a nice resort, but I guess it gets the job done, so
The upgraded one does have stainless steel.
Yeah, the upgraded ones have stainless steel appliances, and that would be the signature collection. So, come over here. You have a washer and dryer, and this is a washer and dryer. I don't know how, but it's a washer and dryer combo. So I guess that's cool. That's the washer area. Now over to the breakfast area. Just a nice basic breakfast area. 6 chairs for a family of 6, so it fits us well. And over here you got your bar area, your bar seating. You have 3 bar seats. It's nice and basic. And as you can see, the decorations on the wall. The couch bed. This is a sofa bed. So yeah, it's a queen sofa bed. So it just added space for unexpected guests. Over here you have your regular sofa chair. And we also have Layla right here. I know she want to be picked up right now, but
she's about to cry in a second.
I can't because I'm doing this too. Hey, Layla. Look how she looking like a fish. Anyway, guys, over here we have a nice fireplace set up with a mantle. It's like a stone mantle. It's a nice vibe. And you see the flat screen on the wall, just to bring out the good vibes. You know, you're in here chilling with the fam, drinking some wine, watching TV. So over here, guys, this is one of 2 balconies. And it's actually a nice view on the balcony. You have a nice little time out here. Drink some wine out here, enjoy the view. You see the nice colorful water, the beautiful clear spring water, Canyon Lake. And the only eyesore is this junkyard right here, or auto mechanic shop, or whatever it is. But it's not too bad. But this is a nice big patio. I'll come out here and do my thing. All right, back into the house. On down the hall. First door to the left is the kids' room. And this is a nice king bed. It's actually a California king, as you can see, guys. So it's nice and spacious for a room just for guests. And they have a flat screen with a nice Chester. Also, they have a sofa chair. They want to lounge around. And I just noticed the his and hers closet. So I guess this is one side, the his or hers. I don't know. Nice decorations on the wall. And back over to the hers closet. Vacuum, extra towels, an ironing board set up. So guys, they got everything you need in this resort. Again, this is the Holiday Inn Resort in Canyon Lake, Texas. Look it up, guys. So now on over to the guest restroom. It's just a nice basic setup. They have a stand-up shower as well as the tub setup. So whatever you want to do, you want to come in, relax, take a bath, or if you want to just get it done real quick, take a shower. They have a nice setup for you guys. And over here, we have this, I don't like this stainless steel sink because it reminds me of Harris County, if you know what I mean. So I don't like the stainless steel sink. Give me bad memories. But what kind of toilet is this? You never seen a hole in the toilet like that, but still basic. The nice flooring. And I didn't even mention, in the living room, in the kitchen area, and the breakfast area, they have this wood flooring. No, actually in the kitchen area is tile. Living room and the dining area is wood flooring. So down the hallway, also with wood flooring, have this nice mirror right here. Cool little mirror, check out yourself before you leave. Now to the master suite. Again, California king bed. As you can see how wide it is, I can barely fit the whole bed in the frame, but it's a California king, guys. And you have these basic decorations above your bed. Over here, sofa chair again. Your dresser set up with the flat screen. And I like that they have flat screens in every room, guys. Because, you know, you go to some hotels and some resorts, they still have the tube TVs. Like, it's time to get rid of that, y'all. We don't need a TV with a tube on the back anymore. So, over here, you have your closet, extra towels, hangers, extra tissue, and toiletries, guys. Over here, you have your bathroom set up. Again, guys. Well, this one only has a stand-up shower. No, I lied. Not just a stand-up shower. Here go the tub over here. It's like a garden tub. It's pretty big and spacious and deep. Nice decorations along the wall. Your water area, decorations again. Now over to the his and her sink area. Again, his and her sinks. I don't like the sinks because I just don't like the stainless steel look in a regular restroom. Again, this is the second balcony. And this is a nice size balcony too. You can create some cool little vibes out here too. And as you can see, the view of the beautiful lake, the crystal clear water. It's eyesore in front of us. I guess they have like a little picnic area over here. Back inside, guys. So guys, I guess this pretty much concludes the tour. You pretty much seen everything. It's just a basic 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Like I said, guys, it also has another side, but we didn't have enough guests for them to open that side. I guess they didn't want to clean up after us for nothing. So guys, like I said, I thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, you share this video, you comment on it, guys. And you know, this is just somewhere we always come periodically. It's only 2.5 hours away from Houston, so we just come here to get peace and serenity and just create good vibes for the family, guys. We like to do a lot of hiking here, and we like to do rafting on the river when it's springtime. And it's just a beautiful place, guys. Make sure you watch my other video. We're down here to look at land, so on my other video, guys, I'm gonna show you a lot of nice properties, and I'll show you guys why we wanna move to this area. So guys, I thank you for watching the video, Until next time, I'm out.